In this video, I will show you how to sort by a measure in Tableau. First, open Tableau and log into your account. Once you're in, you will see your worksheet or draft. On the left side of your screen, find Sales. Then drag and drop it onto the Rows section. You will now see your sales data displayed as a graph. To sort it by a specific measure, go to the top of the screen and click on Sum Sales. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, hover over Measure and you will see different options you can sort by. For example, you can choose Average, Minimum, or Maximum, depending on how you want to view your data. After selecting one, Tableau will automatically update your graph based on that measure. You can repeat this step anytime and choose another measure to adjust how your data is sorted. And that's how to sort by a measure in Tableau.